SOUN stock is testing a key support zone near 793, and this level could decide the next move. Over the last several sessions, the stock has been volatile after a strong rally toward 979. Price recently faced rejection near 935 and is now pulling back into consolidation between 793 support and 853 resistance. If SOUN can reclaim 853 and secure a daily closing above that level, then the next upside target becomes 935 followed by 979. But if 793 breaks, then more downside pressure could follow towards 730. If you want my structured daily execution plan before market open, it is available inside Patreon, link in the description.